Levi Mafia in this bitch. We turned up 24/7. You already know how we doing it. But shouts out Marvel. Shouts out Clean Beats. You know how we rockin', nigga. Ah!
Cause we ride and get high. We ride and get high. Oh, 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 oh. We get dope. And we smoking that fire. High grade is our desire. You know, we cold. Now let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Indo. We blow. Now let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Indo. We smoke. Ha. Niggas know what's up. 40 Glock tucks, stunting in my trucks, trying to get these motherfucking bucks. Got a lot of drugs, great Cali, but make your nose run. One hit, nigga, you're done. Smoke a lot of kush, fuck that Reggie Bush. Took a couple shots, now she got a nigga trying to smush. Never overlook, get your shit took. Beat you like a book, your whole damn team acting like some rooks. Levi's on my motherfucking waist. I'm with these shits anytime, any day. If you got a problem with me, say it to my face. Those YouTube comments, them shit so gay. These niggas, they hate, and I don't know why, cause bitch, I'm not fake. I'm hustling hard and I'm trying to get cake. My dream is to travel at least 50 states. I'm floating like boats. These people, they know we better than most. I put in the effort, no reason to boast. We drinking my niggas, so let's have a toast. But these bitches amazed. 24/7, my eyes looking glazed. Blowing that fire, not one nigga paid. We rolling the blunts and facing some J's. I got plenty goals. Thinking so much that we trying to get chose. With all this work, man, I hope that we blow. But until then, I'm drinking slow. And we all trying to eat. That money you make only lasts for a week. I'm speaking the truth and no need to preach. Just listen to me or someone agree. We ride and get high, we ride and get high, oh, oh. We get dope, and we smoking that fire. High grade is our desire, you know. We cold, now let's go.
When we in the whip, we on speed, we cruise. Cause you know we hide up off of them dudes. Double out pack stuffed in my shoes. In case we gotta talk to the boys in blue. If you roll it, hit it first, that's rollers right. But make sure you don't roll it up too tight. Gotta check the blunt, make sure it roll right. Cause we all tryna get shit faced tonight. Let everybody see it and give it a full inspection. Put the lighter on the tip and burn that cherry to perfection.
Don't hit it with aggression, just puff it and keep reflecting. How you never come in second. I'm cooling and never flexing. And did I mention I never had people listen? Whenever I told my vision, aiming high with precision.
You know it.
I got a goal and swear to God that I'ma make it. If not your money, I'm taking. Motherfuck the police station.
Riding the wheel straight, blowing on loud. My homies rolling up while I'm breaking down. If you smell what we smoking, you'll try and get a hit. But if you ain't got the cash, then you ain't hearing shit. My weed from the west, shout out my plug. The street be the best, that Cali bud. Never catch us puffing on no dank. Cause we ain't tryna match if your weed don't stink. Marijuana is a blessing, I'm in love with herbal lessons. My whole team is full of kings, and you haters just some peasants. If you ain't heard about us, consider this your enlightenment. That we about to blow up like a bomb with no deciphering. Chew up any beat like I'm chewing some dentine. And I got my own swag, you niggas some trend fiends. Jacking weed up is a sport, and I'm smoking like it's a hobby. We be twisting up them papers like we doing origami.
We ride and get high, we ride and get high, oh, 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 oh. We get dope, and we smoking that fire. High grade is our desire, you know, we cold. Now let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Indo, we blow. Now let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Indo, we smoke.